Hello students, let's continue our chapter body movements, which is chapter number 8. So today we are going to discuss about these three topics. One is shoulder bone, second is cartilage, and third is backbone. So let's discuss about the shoulder bone first. Students, shoulder is the part in human body to which our arms are attached. Okay, shoulder is the part in human body where arms are attached. Okay, where arms are attached. There are two shoulders in our body. Okay, so shoulder bones is present at our back. Okay, it is present at our back and it has triangular shape. Okay, it has triangular shape. What is shoulder? Shoulder is the part where arms are attached. So shoulder bones are triangular in shape. Okay, so it is present in our back at both the ends in the upper back. Okay, in the upper back, shoulder bones are present at both the ends and it has triangular shape. Okay, so if you move your hand in backward direction, you can feel a bone which has curve shape. Okay, move your hand in the backward direction, you will feel a bone near your neck and this bone is known as shoulder bone. Next we are going to discuss about the cartilage. Next topic is cartilage. So students, what is cartilage? Students, अगर if I draw the diagram of human ear, okay, diagram of human ear is like this now. So this is the upper ear. Okay, this is the upper ear and this is the earlobe. This is the upper ear and this is the earlobe. Upper ear is also known as pinna. Okay, upper ear is also known as pinna. So you must have observed that you can easily move your upper ear. Okay, upper ear can easily move. Why this is possible? Because in upper ear cartilage is present. In upper ear not any hard bone is present, but a type of bone is present and this is a soft and flexible bone. What is cartilage? Cartilage is a soft and flexible bone. Unlike the bones present in other parts of the body, the bones present in the upper ear, for example in pinna, the bones here are very soft and flexible. So the cartilage is a type of bone which is very soft and flexible. So it is present in upper ear, due to which our upper ear can easily move. Okay, also it is present between the joints. Cartilage bone is present between the joints. Okay, means two bones are attached with the help of cartilage. Okay, two bones are attached with the help of soft bones called cartilage. Okay, students, next we will discuss about the backbone. So students, what is a backbone? Backbone is a long, hollow, rod-like structure. Backbone is a long, hollow, rod-like structure running from neck to the hips inside our body. Okay. Students, if you touch your back in the central point, you will feel a long bone present there. Okay, so this bone is known as backbone. So backbone is a long hollow rod like structure which starts from the neck and goes to the hips inside our body. Okay, students, backbone is not a single long bone. It is made up of various small bones, and these small bones are known as vertebra. Vertebra is the single soft bone, but there are so many small bones are present which made up the whole backbone. So the plural form of vertebra is vertebrae. Okay, so what is vertebrae? These are the small bones. Vertebrae are the small bones which make up the backbone. Vertebrae are the small bones which make up the backbone. Okay, there are small bones present which converts into a whole long hollow rod like structure which is known as backbone. Okay, so vertebrae, what are vertebrae? Vertebrae are the small bones from which backbone is made up of. Okay, also rib cage is joined to the vertebrae. Okay, rib cage is joined to the vertebrae. So how many vertebrae are present? There are total 33 vertebrae are present. Means there are total 33 small bones are present which makes up the whole backbone. So let's see the diagram of a backbone. I am drawing the diagram of a backbone. Okay. I am drawing the backbone. These are the small vertebrae present in backbone. These are the small vertebrae present in backbone. Okay, these are the small vertebrae present in backbone. And these are how many in numbers? These are 33 in numbers. Okay, these small bones are 33 in numbers. These are 33 in numbers. This backbone arise from neck and goes to the hips inside our body. So what are these? These are the small bones which make up the whole backbone. So these small bones are known as vertebrae. Okay, these small bones are known as vertebrae, and they are 33 in numbers. They are 33 in numbers. Students, these vertebrae are connected with the help of cartilage. What are cartilage? Cartilage are the soft bones which connects to vertebrae. These vertebrae are connected with the help of cartilage. Thank you.